Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw Sasuke step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so do not worry if you have never drawn before. By the end of this video you will be able to create an awesome portrait of Sasuke. So let's start the video. First thing, we will need our bag and box and all the things we need to draw and sketch and coloring. So we will take all the things. So let's draw the Sasuke first, step by step. So first I will draw Sasuke's eyes. I had already sketched using pencil and also erase it, so I am using this time black pen. So you will see the video. So finally pen work is done. Now the time is to color this portrait. To color this portrait I am using watercolor. So everyone, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, and comment which drawing you want to see in my next video. And now I am using pencil color and oil pastel colors. So my painting is done. You will see the result.